we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Yes, you can but should not put aluminum foil in a microwave. Putting foil in a microwave can cause arcs, sparks, smoke, and a fire. The sharp edges of aluminum foil is what can cause the sparks, smoke, and fire.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.